A scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle?
Not sure about it, sir.
Okay. What is an isosceles triangle?
A right angle triangle.
Okay. What is an equilateral triangle?
Equal triangle is the normal one.
What do you mean by equal?
Equal in the sense having 180 degree in all the angles.
Let's start from the basic. What is a scalene triangle is? See, scalene means, let's say this is A, B, C. A triangle in which all the three sides are of different measure. Let's say this is 20, this is 40, this is 60 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. If all sides are of different length, that triangle is scalene triangle. We are not talking about angle right now, we are just talking about side. As well as if all the angles are of different measure, then also it is a scalene triangle. So what is a scalene triangle?
If all sides
An
if all
angle,
sides are of different length, it becomes scalene triangle.
scalene triangle. The other triangle that comes is isosceles triangle. Okay. One more thing, we are not here to learn anything, we are here to understand the things. Because if we are going to learn the things, like they are not going to be with us for a longer time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? When opposite
Where
sides are equal. Like if AB is equals to AC, these are opposite sides. If opposite sides in a triangle are equal, that specific triangle is called isosceles triangle.
isosceles.
So if AB is equals to AC, then there is one more property, angle opposite to equal side are also equal. Like angle opposite to side AB is angle C and angle opposite to side AC is angle B. So if angle C is equals to angle B and side AB is equals to AC, like any of these properties there, then the triangle would be considered as isosceles triangle. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Let's say if you are having a triangle, I am giving you A, B, C, you are having the value that let's say angle B is giving 60 degree and you have been told that triangle is isosceles. Can you find the remaining angles of triangle?
No,
Why?
because not all sides are not equal.
So if I have given you that the triangle is isosceles, what do you mean by that?
Two opposite sides are equal, but
That
the
means AB is equals to AC.
yeah.
Okay. I have told you one more property. If the sides are equal, then angles are also equal. So if angle B and angle C are equal, this would also become 60 degree.
Yeah.
If these are the angles that we know, what would be the measure of angle A?
60.
60 by angle sum property. Whenever we are like writing anything, we have to mention why this thing is going to get happen. We would be writing that angle B is equals to angle C because of isosceles triangle. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, why angle A is 60 degree? After applying angle sum property, three angle measure is 180 degree, two angles have been given, third angle can be found out by that property. Fair?
Yeah.
So we are being clear about isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. The third type of triangle is equilateral triangle. What happens in equilateral triangle?
All sides will be equal.
All sides as well as all angles are equal. That means each angle would be measuring 60 degree. Since all are equal, so each angle would be measuring 60 degree. Perfect?
Yeah.
Okay. See, basically the type of triangles are these. Later on the triangles can be further segregated into other type. One is called acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle?
Angle less than 90 degree.
No. The measure of that acute angle is less than 90 degree.
Yeah, that's what I said, sir.
You have said less than 90 degree.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my bad. So the angle which are measuring less than 90 degree, that are called as acute angle. What is the right angle?
Angle which is exactly 90 degree.
90 degree. What is obtuse angle?
Angle more than 90 degree.
And less than 180 degree. Let's say angle is alpha. Alpha is greater than 90, less than 180. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, for acute angle, greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Okay?
Yeah.
And right angle is directly alpha is 90 degree. These are the basic things regarding the triangle. I hope they are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's come to quadrilateral. A four-sided figure is being called as quadrilateral. Do you understand what are vertices?
Yeah.
What are vertices?
The four corners.
Okay. So A, B, C and D are called vertices of triangle or vertices of quadrilateral.
Yeah.
Okay. So as we have seen the angle sum property in a triangle, what would be the angle sum property in a quadrilateral? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. In a triangle, the sum of angle of all the triangle, the sum of the measure of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Similarly, in quadrilateral, the sum of measure of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What do we mean by adjacent sides?
Opposite sides.
No. The opposite word is a different thing and adjacent word is a different thing. Opposite are DC and AB. DC or AB, AD or BC, these are opposite sides.
Okay.
If we are talking about adjacent side is AD, AB, BC, AB. How do we identify the adjacent side? They would be having a common vertex. Like if I am talking about A is the vertex. So the line segment drawn from A to one side and to the other side. So they would be called as adjacent sides.
Okay.
The sides that are being having a common vertex, that are being called as adjacent side. Similarly, I can say that DC and BC are the adjacent sides. BC and AB are the adjacent sides.
Okay.
Let's say this is your quadrilateral PQRS. Find opposite sides and adjacent sides.
Opposite sides will be PQ and RS, and adjacent sides will be QR and QP.
Only PQ and RS. Would there be any other opposite side pair also?
Uh, PS and RQ.
Okay. Now come to the adjacent side.
QR and QP.
QR, QP. Yes, they are having, sorry, they are having a common vertex, that is Q.
Yeah.
Other
And
ones,
SR and SP.
SR and SP. Any other?
PS and PQ,
PS and PQ.
RS and RQ.
Perfect. Let's say this is given 40, this is given 70, this is given 90. Can we find the measure of angle Q?
Yeah, it would be 160.
Okay, 1, perfect. Good in calculation part. Okay. Now comes to the type of quadrilaterals. Do you have any information regarding the type of quadrilaterals?
Um, Parallelogram
Okay. One is parallelogram.
or rhombus.
Okay.
Then, sir, would cylinder
Whatever
count?
thing you are like telling to me, you have to specify also what is a parallelogram and what is a rhombus. Okay. We'll see that also. Yeah, you were saying something?
A kite. No, sir. A kite.
Kite. That's good.
Yeah.
The basic quadrilaterals that we are learning from the grade 4.
Square rectangle.
Great. One more left.
I don't remember, sir.
Trapezium. Okay, so let's start from uh, forget about trapezium. Let's start from parallelogram first, as you have told me. What is a parallelogram?
Um, I don't know how to define it, sir.
Okay, so you must be aware about that parallelogram is a quadrilateral.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously, four-sided figure. Let's do that thing first. A, B, C, D. Sorry. So, if in a quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel and equal, that is called a parallelogram. See, as the name indicates, parallelogram. So AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD. These are the opposite sides. Apart from this, opposite angles are also equal. What are
Yes.
opposite angles?
AB and CD.
I'm talking about angles, not sides. What are angles?
Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle
Yeah.
D.
So which are the opposite angles?
Angle AB and angle CD.
See, there is a difference. AB is your side. Angle is always a single entity. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So if I am talking to you that opposite angles, that means angle A, angle C, angle B, angle D. These are the opposite angles, no?
Yeah.
Sides AB and CD are opposite sides, but the angles is like this is how we do know. Angle A plus angle B plus C plus D is equals to 360 degree.
Yeah.
So ultimately angles are single ones, single vertex. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D.
Yes.
So
So can you
opposite
draw it and show once?
yeah.
Can you draw it and show once?
What I have to draw?
Or a parallelogram what you're explaining?
This is a parallelogram only.
I can't see the what you're writing, sir.
Okay. Okay, like things are not visible on your screen?
No, like I'm still in the types of quadrilaterals page.
Oh, okay. Just a second. Can you scroll down?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it.
Is it visible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, I'm saying if the opposite sides are parallel, like AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD, then that is a parallelogram. This is one property. Other property is opposite angles are equal. Which are the opposite angle? Angle A, angle C, angle B,
Angle
angle
B and
D.
angle D.
One more property, the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. What do we mean by this?
Like angle B and angle C and angle B and angle A are adjacent angles.
Okay.
So these three angles becomes a triangle and becomes at 180 degree.
No. Sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. You have to select one pair of adjacent angle. It can be any. Like you can say angle B plus C is equals to 180 or angle A plus B is equals to 180. Any pair. So what are the properties of a quadrilateral to become a parallelogram?
Uh,
Opposite sides are parallel and equal.
yeah, opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's it.
Second property, opposite angles are equal.
Yeah, opposite angles are equal.
Adjacent angles are supplementary. Do you understand what are complementary and supplementary angles? No.
No.
If the sum of angle is 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. If sum of angle is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Just how we have done that the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree, so adjacent angles are supplementary. If I am talking to you supplementary, that means a single term is indicating that the sum of measure of angle is 180 degree.
Okay.
I hope whatever I am writing is visible.
Yeah, now I scrolled it down again. So.
Complementary, supplementary, whatever I have written is visible.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So I guess parallelogram is okay.
yeah.
There is one thing left. You understand what are diagonals?
Um, yeah,
What are diagonals?
the opposite vertices.
No, that are vertices. That is not a diagonal. No, diagonal is if I am joining the opposite vertex. Like if you see in the figure ABCD, AC is the diagonal. Similarly, BD is the diagonal.
Yes, sir.
So the property of parallelogram is also let the diagonal intersect each other. They are intersecting now. Let's say the diagonals are intersecting at point O. So the diagonals are intersecting each other.
Yes, sir.
I hope the parallelogram part is clear.
Yeah.
So recall all the properties of parallelogram.
Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal.
Parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's why
Okay.
it is called as parallelogram, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And apart from that, what is the property of angles? Opposite angles are equal
Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are parallel.
and adjacent angles are supplementary.
Will complementary not come, sir?
See, I have just make you understand the term complementary. That's it. The use of complementary is not there in the parallelogram part.
Okay.
Let's say this is your parallelogram ABCD. Angle A is given 70 degree. Find the measure of BC and D.
So should we do 360 minus 70 first?
360 minus 70. Why?
Uh,
Okay,
to
let's
find
say
the
if you are subtracting 360, like 70 from 360, then what you will get?
290.
No, no, like 290 would be which angle?
Again, you have to divide it by 3.
No. Why we have learned so many properties in parallelogram then? ABCD is a parallelogram. You have been given the measure of angle A. You have to find the measure of angle B, C and D.
Okay.
We know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So if angle A is 70, angle C is also 70.
Then we should subtract it with 360, is it?
No. See, if you are subtracting from 360 degree, then what will happen? Like it would be either B or D.
Uh, like, again, you have to get the remaining number with both the sides.
So there is another property in a parallelogram that we have discussed, that the adjacent angles are supplementary.
Okay.
Can we find from
Not
that
getting.
information or not?
Uh, Angle B will be 110 degree,
Okay,
and the angle D also will be 110 degree.
perfect. I hope it is okay.
Yeah.
Let's take the case of rectangle. Okay, what is a rectangle?
Uh, Two equal sides.
Okay, so AB is equals to CD, AD is equals to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Apart from that, each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. And diagonals are equal in length. What do we mean by equal in length? Diagonals intersect each other and are equal in length. That means AC is equals to BD. Let's say This is your rectangle,
Yes.
and you have been given, this is 3, this is 4. Find the length of the diagonal BD.
What is the 3 and 4? Sir, I didn't get it.
Yes.
You have written 3 in between angle A and E.
Sorry, what you're saying?
Oh, I didn't get why did you write the number 3 and 4?
I'm saying that they are the measurements. AD is 3 centimeter and AB is 4 centimeter. We need to find the length of diagonal BD.
Should we add them both?
Okay. Sure, this is the way.
What's up?
Sure, this is the way of finding the length of diagonal.
No, I don't think so, but I just asked.
See, we know that the measure of angle is 90 degree.
Okay.
Isn't it a right angle triangle?
Yes.
Because it is a measuring 90 degree. So is it a right angle triangle? You know what is
Yeah.
Pythagoras theorem?
No,
No?
not exactly.
Okay, what is Pythagoras
Yeah,
theorem
sir.
is?
I remembered it now.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
Like there'll be like expression or
Yeah?
a number where you should add the angles with.
No. Pythagoras theorem is, first of all, this theorem is applicable only in right angle triangle. You understand what is a hypotenuse?
No.
Okay. Let's say this is a right angle triangle. A, B, C. If this is 90 degree, then the side opposite to the 90 degree is always considered the longest side, and that is called hypotenuse.
Okay.
So what is Pythagoras theorem saying? That, okay, one side is called as perpendicular and other side is called as base. So hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see the case ADB. DB is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the 90 degree.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to find this. So hypotenuse is BD square. Perpendicular is 3 centimeter. So I would be writing 3 square. Base is 4. So I would be writing 4 square. Yes.
Okay.
3 square is 9. 4 square is
16.
16. Add them.
16 plus 9, 25.
BD. If I need to find BD, then what would be the value of BD? This is square, no?
25.
This is square, no? I have to find without a square value.
We should find the 25 square too.
Yes?
We should find the 25 square.
Yeah, we should find the square root of 25.
Okay.
See, BD square is 25. If I need to find BD, it would be under root 25.
Yeah.
This, I guess, you must have learnt it. What is the square root of 25?
5.
5. So the length of BD is 5 centimeter. That's what we are supposed to find.
Okay.
Hope it makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Satvik, let's keep the class till here. I hope you must have liked the session.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is any of your parent around?
Yeah.
Can you call him or her?
Yes, sir. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm also good, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Uh, ma'am, like, were you present there when the class was going on, ma'am?
Pardon?
Were you present there when the class was going on, ma'am?
Yeah, I was there for half class.
Okay, okay.
Then I was on another
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
call.
Ma'am, any feedback that you want to provide regarding the class?
Yeah, it was good. We actually asked for the science class
Ma'am,
today.
there could be a slight miscommunication. Like, I would be communicating with the team and I'll be trying to
Okay.
schedule the science session today only. What would be your preferable time, ma'am?
If possible, post 7 o'clock is fine.
Post 7 o'clock. Yeah, ma'am. I'll try.
Okay, we'll do it tomorrow only. Is fine.
Tomorrow.
Because
At
we are
what time,
going
ma'am?
out post lunch,
Oh,
so
okay.
we are not sure whether we'll be back by 7. So,
Okay. Fair, fair, ma'am. Ma'am,
okay.
any concern that you want to like tell regarding the Satvik about the preparation or education or maths
He's good in grasping things very soon, but lack of
practice?
practice is what make him stand behind. That's all.
Yeah.
Lack of
Yes.
practice, and he always does a last minute preparation so far.
Yes.
So that
Yes.
might be the reason he's behind. But now he's going to ninth, and he have to get back to the track. That's the main reason I'm going to the preferring the tuitions for him,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
because I also cannot give him much time. That's a reason.
Yes, ma'am. So, okay, ma'am, like, ma'am, have discussion with him regarding the class and everything.
Yeah, yeah, sure. We'll
And,
discuss and
ma'am, what would be the preferable time tomorrow when we can plan a class for science?
maybe the same time.
Same time. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, 12 to 1 is fine.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
12
Thank you
to
so
1
much,
or
ma'am.
12:15 to 1, same thing is fine.
Sure, 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 ma'am. Team would be communicating with you, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, same here.
Bye.